The direct comparison test has a big limitation, and that limitation is that these inequalities have to go in the right direction. To see why that is, let's think back to our intuition. If a series is divergent, I think of it as having terms that are big. The catch is we don't know exactly what the threshold is. We don't know what the threshold is between terms that are so big their series diverges and terms that are so small their series converges. But we can get a little bit of information about that threshold by thinking about series whose convergence or divergence is known. So because the harmonic series diverges, that means those terms are big enough. I don't know what exactly constitutes big enough, but those terms are big enough. So if I want to know about a series with bigger terms, certainly they are big enough as well. But if a series has smaller terms, now I'm not sure. I know that the terms of the harmonic series are big enough to make the series diverge. These terms are smaller. Are they nonetheless big enough to make their series diverge? Or are they so small that they make their series converge? The direct comparison test does not tell us.